tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Are you ready to say goodbye to financial struggles and manifest prosperity in 2024? You have the power to change your financial situation and create abundance in your life. It all starts with your mindset and beliefs. Instead of focusing on lack and scarcity, shift your mindset to one of abundance and prosperity. Visualize yourself living a life of financial freedom and success. Believe that you are deserving of wealth and abundance. Take inspired action towards your financial goals. Whether it's starting a side hustle, investing in yourself, or creating a budget, every step you take brings you closer to financial prosperity. Stay committed and consistent in your efforts. Surround yourself with positivity and like-minded individuals who support your financial goals. Cut out any negativity or limiting beliefs that hold you back from achieving prosperity. In 2024, manifest prosperity by setting clear intentions, taking inspired action, and believing in your ability to create the life of abundance you desire. Say goodbye to financial struggles and welcome a future filled with wealth and prosperity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on manifesting prosperity in your life.